The connection type collision. Open the interface for connections and then select the connection type collision. The first selection must be the profile to be connected, in this case the beam. For the second selection, please select the profile to be connected, in this case the column. All possible connection types are now checked and displayed in the interface. By selecting a connection, the connection is now automatically added at the correct point and aligned correctly. In addition, connecting elements such as screws are added and the profile is shortened so that the bill of material is correct at the end. Enjoy the next video.